Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will to tell about international journal with the title Parallel Radial Bisection for Inverse Scattering Problems. Abstract. A variety of effective methods have been developed for the numerical reconstruction of scatterers in inverse scattering problems. One type of such method is based on some indicator functions which show significantly different values inside and outside the scatters. In this article, we propose a parallel radial bisection algorithm for efficiently imaging the shape of scatterers based on the indicator methods. We saw that the algorithm can essentially reduce the computational complexity of the existing indicator methods. In fact, it has optimal computational complexity that does not depend on the space dimension of the concerned physical problems, namely the complexity is the same for any dimensions. Such space dimension independent is a significant advantage of the method in three-dimensional application. The method is easy to implement and overcomes some dominant drawbacks of several existing reconstruction methods for inverse scattering problems. 1. Introduction. This work investigates some efficient numerical methods to reconstruct the shape of scatterers from the measurement of scattered field in inverse scattering problems. The shape reconstruction finds wide application in geophysics, medicine, non-descriptive testing, and biological studies, and a variety of numerical methods have been developed. Among all the existing methods, one popular and effective type of method is based on some indicator function that show significantly different values inside and outside the scatterers. Using such indicator, one can determine if a sampling point lies inside or outside the scatterer. This estimating its location and geometric shape. Among all the indicator methods, the linear sampling type methods have been widely studied and extended in several directions. We refer to two comprehensive reviews on the topics. Many variants of the indicator function method were proposed, such as the probe method, the singular source method, the gap function method, the linear sampling method, and generalist dual space indicator method. In this work, we shall present a novel method to speed up the aforementioned indicator method for more efficiently imaging the shape of the scatterers. For the sake of the exposition, we shall consider only the inverse acoustic obstacle scattering by time harmonic acoustic wave in this work, but our method can be equally applied to other inverse problems such as electromagnetic obstacle scattering and inverse medium scattering. Also, we will take two indicator function methods, the LSM and GD LSM and the GD-SEM as example to describe our new method for the inverse scattering problem. First, we describe the LSM consider a bounded obstacle with a smooth boundary embedded in a domain which may contain multiple separate obstacle components. Given an accident value, the presence of the obstacle will give rise to a scattered field OS. We take the incident direction K 0 is the wave number and the total field satisfies the following Helmholtz system: uniformly for all direction, where the LSM is to make use of the blow-up behavior of the solution in the integral equation as indicator function to determine the shape of the unknown scatterer. The validity of such method is based on the following the theorem. This theorem tells us the important blow-up behavior of the solution to the far-field equation, leading to the very popular LSM. Select a mesh of sampling point in a region D which contain the obstacle. Use the Tikhonov regulation and the Mozorov discrepancy principle to compute an approximate solution for each sampling point. Determine if a sampling point is inside or outside based on the magnitude of the null on. Next, we describe the GDSI, which is a variant of the LSM developed for the shallow ocean environment as a parallel waveguide. We write the shallow ocean waveguide as to a parallel radial bisection algorithm. In this section, we present a parallel radial bisection algorithm to speed up the indicator types method. As we will see, the algorithm can reduce the computational complexity of the LSM and the GDSM significantly. For simplicity, we will describe the algorithm for R2, but all of the result and conclusion can be straightforwardly extended to R3. The synthetic force-field data from the direct problem are generated by solving the combined layer potential operator equation with the Strom method, which convert exponentially for analytic boundaries. We compute the far-field pattern at 64 equidistantly distributed observation points, where R1 and R2 are two uniform random numbers, both ranging from -1 to 1, is the noise level, which is always taken to be 3% unless otherwise specified. At its sampling point Z on a select radius, the corresponding far-field equation is solved by the Tikhonov regulation method in combination with Mozorov discrepancy principle, and the regulation parameter equals the wave number is taken to be 3 and the tolerance is chosen to be 10. For conclusion, a novel PRBM is proposed for the reconstruction of scatterers from either far field or near field measurement. Both the analysis and the numerical simulation have demonstrated the robustness and optimal computational complexity of the algorithm. The new method is easy to implement and can essentially reduce the computational cost of the indicator type reconstruction methods such as the LSM, the MLSM, and the GDSM without deterioration of the quality of the reconstruction. In addition, this new method can be equally applied to inverse electromagnetic obstacle scattering. Sambar di jurnal internasional bersambar 10offline.com /10.10.80/full/10.10.80/10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10.10 Baik, assalamualaikum. Baik, saya akhiri. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.